After a couple days in Las Vegas, I finally found out how to take the bus. Thank God I did not get lost. Then today I take the Dewey's, I think it's called Dewey's bus, from Las Vegas Strip all the way to the Fremont Street experience. That is the one. First thing into my eyes are these. Come on, I don't know what to say. People are like trying to ask me to buy it, but no, it's just not my personality. At the start, there's a lot of small souvenir shops around, but this is not my point. I am looking forward to this. You see all the dancers and the street performers? I love this. I wish I could open myself up a little bit and just have some fun with all the strangers. I total came down here 2 times during this trip. I just could not get enough of this vibe. I wish I came with somebody which is outgoing, and then he or she can meet me to have some fun in public. I really want that. These performers, the girls, they are like, I don't know, some sexual move or like punishing all the men or something like that. It's definitely not my thing, but I do enjoy seeing that. There are lots and lots of street performers, and they all work for tips. So basically you put some money in their bucket and then they will start performing. So I don't know how many people would do this, but I believe they can make a living like this, and a lot of people, their performance are really, really good. So I was too shy to put the money in, but if I had somebody with me, I would definitely put some money, because I also work for tips too. I know that making money in public in this weather is very difficult for them. These are all the casino which is on the side there. So in here you will see a lot of seniors people coming down as well. Despite of a lot of loud music going on, it could be really loud. And one thing I really like about Vegas is, as long as you see casinos, there's gonna be some air conditioning. There will be a lot of seats inside and you can rest there, and washrooms are always nearby. I have never had this feeling before, but coming down here make me want to explore the world and open myself up just to enjoy interacting with other people. But it's just that my personality is, I fear to talk to people, and I am having difficulty to open myself up. I mean, I need to work on it, because I really want to go out and enjoy to the fullest. Especially when I was there, I feel this, I really need to work on it. If I really want to enjoy the trip, I wanted, like, these kind of girls, I really want to take pictures with them. Does anybody recognize this sign? I have seen it many times somewhere, I remember. I have seen a lot of ABC stores in Vegas here. Looks like it's a franchise for selling souvenirs and something like a 7-Eleven drinks and some foods too. So if you see one of these here, you can go in and grab some snacks or drinks too. This is the animation happens while all other casinos will turn off the light. Enjoy! When I see this, I really want to join them. I want to dance with them. I want to go all out. I don't know what to do. I am so happy I can share this experience with you and to tell you that I really want to be part of the experience, to interact with the strangers and go all out to enjoy the trip fully. I'm still working on it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Take care.